Hello from the Waterworks Museum, and welcome to another Try It Tuesday. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at one of the interesting properties of water. You know, you can actually think of water molecules as being, well, kind of sticky. They like to stick to other water molecules, something we call cohesion, and they also like to stick to other surfaces, something we call adhesion. As a result, when water comes into contact with a porous material like a paper towel or a coffee filter, we see something called capillary action, where water molecules actually climb up the surface because of adhesion and pull other molecules along with them, due to cohesion, as far as they can go, until gravity becomes too strong for them to overcome. Your challenge today is to make a tie-dyed paper flower and see capillary action, well, in action. Start by cutting a flower out of a porous material like a paper towel or a coffee filter. You can really do any shape, just make sure it's fairly wide and symmetrical. Next, you'll want to use washable markers to draw a ring around the center point of your flower, being careful not to get any marker ink directly on the center point. You can then add 2 or 3 more rings around the first ring, leaving some space between each one. You will then fold your flower in half and then in thirds. Finally, you will stick just the center point, where no ink should be, just barely into a cup of water. Then, watch as the water climbs up your flower, taking the colors with it. When the water finally stops climbing or reaches the edge of your flower, gently unfold the flower and leave it to dry. Once it's done, you'll not only have a lovely flower to celebrate spring, but evidence of the magic of capillary action. Here's an example of one I did earlier that's already dry. If you do decide to make a tie-dyed flower, please share a picture with us. We'd love to see what you made. And don't forget to tune in next week for another Try It Tuesday. See you next time!